Hey guys, I'm Ralph with Tires Wheels Direct. Don't forget to subscribe right below our YouTube channel. We'll be showcasing this Ridler wheel and many more that we sell on Tires Wheels Direct. Check this one out. This is the Ridler 695. They come in staggered setups. This one's going to be an 18x8, 0 offset, 5120.65 in the gray with the machine lip. Whenever you shop for the front part number will be 695-8861G. And then the rear corresponding will be a 9.5, 5120.65, positive 6, 83 is the center bore, gray with machine lip. And then the part number is 695-8961G, and it'll take you to the rear. I'm gonna open up front and rear so that way you guys can see the lip sizes and you be the judge of how it looks. Let me know if there's another Ridler wheel that you guys want me to showcase, and I'll be glad to showcase it for you. So here, let's check this bad boy out and take it out of the box. All right, here you have it, the Ridler 695. So nice, simple, clean. I'd say it's like a torque thrust style wheel, gunmetal, with the pop-in center cap in the center. Conical C lug nuts will go right into this wheel, and well, I think on old school cars you're not going to be able to use it. I mean, it's TPMS sensor compatible, but you're probably just use a regular valve stem. So from the face of the wheel to the edge of the barrel, give you the lip size on it, you're about 3 inches. There you have it. So that's an 18x8. Let me give you the rear. So let me put this down. Showcase the rear for you. So here's the rear. And that way you guys can see the lip size, both front and rear. And let me know what you guys think in the comments below. What you guys think about this 9.5. So here you have it, 9.5, the Ridler 695. So put this side by side so you guys can see 18.8 and 18.9.5, the staggered lip sizes. So again, that one had a 3-inch lip. This one, well, hold on. So this was a 3-inch, 18.9.5, and I think the width changes. And let me check the front. Here, get an actual measurement on this. So from the face, you're actually 2 3/4. So you get a 1/4 inch difference of a lip, front and rear. There you have it. So the Ridler 695, 18.8, 18.9.5, 5120. If you guys are interested in this set for your GM Chevy vehicle, this is a great setup. If you guys are interested, feel free to give us a call and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.